I spent hours building a backend for a contact form, but there's a way you can do it in less than 10 minutes, no backend needed. Routes, environment variables, deployment issues, these are backend headaches, just for a simple form, and I think most developers are overcomplicating this. If your goal is just to collect submissions like name, email, and message of the sender for a portfolio, small business, newsletter, you don't need a backend. You can connect your project directly to a form handling service and it will do the work. Once somebody sends you a form, you receive it directly in your inbox. But if you're building a full project like a SaaS product, you'll be needing a backend. Here's the idea. Instead of creating an Express server with a post route and the headaches that comes with it, you use Web3 Forms. And here's how you can do it in 5 minutes. Open up Web3 Forms and click on Create Form. Next, sign up with the email you want to receive the message to and do the verification process. Next, choose the free plan, then name your project, and for the domain, just put localhost. Then automatically, Web3 Forms gives you the code in HTML and JavaScript, or you can choose React if you're using React. I'm going to use the React code and paste it into my project. Back in Web3 Forms, you can press on Go to Dashboard to view all of your submissions. Let's test this out. In my project, I will pass it a message and click on Submit. In the dashboard, it says that we got a submission. Well, let's check our inbox. And as you can see, we have a submission and we receive it directly to our inbox. Here's a quick explanation. This stops your browser from reloading when pressing on Submit. Form data automatically stores our form data like name, email, and message with their values as key value pairs. Then you append your access key to the form data to help Web3 Forms identify you. Then you do an API call and send the form data, and then you wait for a response, either success or fail. Now let me be clear. If you're building a SaaS, user authentication, custom logic, payments, yes, build a backend. But if it is a portfolio, a landing page, a simple contact form, all you need is something simple and fast. Comment below what do you think of this method and what will you be using it on. Remember, don't add complexity to a simple thing when you just can ship it faster and with less effort.